Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy and the topic name is Bill of Exchange. Chalo, let's read the problem first and understand what the problem is telling you. This is question number 6 of government textbook on the page number 306. Sangeeta accepted a bill of rupees 18,000 drawn by Geeta for 3 months. Geeta discounted the bill for rupees 17,400. Before due date, Sangeeta approached Geeta for renewal of bill. Geeta agreed on the condition that Sangeeta should pay 6,000 immediately and for balance she should accept a new bill for 4 months along with interest rupees 550. The arrangement was carried through, but on due date, Sangeeta became insolvent and 35 paise in a rupee could be recovered from a private state. Give the journal entries in the books of Sangeeta and prepare Sangeeta account in the books of Geeta. Now see, this is two separate things. They're asking you to give journal entry in the book of Sangeeta. Okay, so first we'll do journal entry in the book of Sangeeta. Now see, Sangeeta accepted the bill. What is Sangeeta doing? Sangeeta is accepting the bill. See, I've written something like here. Accepted means Sangeeta will come here. See, I have written here. Sangeeta. See, I've written here. Purchase accepted because drawee. Matlab Sangeeta is a drawee. So Geeta is a drawer. You can do this way. You can write this thing. A person who accepts the bill becomes a drawee. A person who draws the bill becomes a drawer. So this time they're asking you the journal entry in the books of drawee. Remember it. Okay, bacho? So you can easily find out whether you want to write the entry in the books of drawer or in the books of drawee. The first sentence was Sangeeta accepted a bill. Yeah, what was the first sentence? Sangeeta accepted the bill of rupees 18,000 drawn by Geeta. What is the entry when the bill is accepted? Yes. Earlier also we have done, say this time there is no date, so we are going to write a question mark. So when the bill is accepted, see, bill is accepted, that means you are giving, who is receiving the bill? Geeta is receiving the bill and the bill is going out. So your journal entry will be Geeta account debit 2. See, this time it is bills payable account because you're going to pay the bill, okay? Because you have to give the money. So that's why it is bills payable account. Okay, bacha, remember, always remember that thing. You have purchased the goods. That means you have to pay the money. So it is bills payable account. What is the amount of bill? 18,000. Okay, what is the amount of bill? 18,000. Then next, Geeta discounted the bill. Geeta is discounting the bill. See, as a payee, as a drawee, you have to accept the bill and then make a payment. That is only your work, because in bill of exchange, you remember what you write? Pay to me or my order. You sign that way. Either you have to give to Sangeeta or you have to give to whoever the Sangeeta has transferred the bill. Okay. So here Geeta has nothing to do. Before due date, Sangeeta approached for renewal of bill. Before due date, you are approaching for renewal of bill. Renewal of bill, matlab I have already told you have to pass 4 entries without thinking anything. What are that 4 entries? First is cancellation of the bill. Second is interest. Third is part payment. Last but not the least is for the new bill. Okay, so first we will part the cancellation entry. Yes, first is cancellation. What will be the cancellation entry? Entry will be bills payable account debit to Geeta account. Okay, being bill cancelled for renewal. What is the narration? Being bill cancelled for renewal. Your interest is a expense for you, so interest will come debit. So interest account debit to whom you are giving interest, Geeta. So Geeta account. Interest account debit to Geeta account. What will be the next entry? Next entry is for part payment. See, you have to give the money, so money is going out from you, so it is Geeta account debit to, yes, what is going out? Cash. Cash or bank account. Okay. Okay, cash or bank account. And last but not the least, the entry will be for new bill, Geeta account debit to bills payable account. Bills payable account. So you don't have to think. Whenever the word renewal comes, these four entries will always come. One is for the cancellation, second is for interest, third is for the part payment, and last is for the new bill. Okay, now we will read the sentence now. What is the sentence? Sangeeta approached Geeta for renewal of bill. Geeta agreed on the condition that Sangeeta will pay 6,000 immediately. See, Sangeeta will pay 6,000 immediately. And the balance should be accepted for 4 months along with interest 550. Now see, this time the interest is going in balance. See, this is very important. You have to understand it properly. See, again I'm reading. Sangeeta should, see here, Sangeeta should pay 6,000 immediately. मतलब 6,000 अभी के अभी दे दो. And balance, बाकी के पैसा she should accept a new bill. एक नया बिल लेगी 4 महीने के लिए. And along with interest, यानी कि interest is going in the new bill. ओके बच्चों, ये सेंटेंस आपको समझना. ये सेंटेंस समझ में आई और प्रॉब्लम बिकम इजी. नाउ टेल मी, बिल कितने का था? 18,000 का था. ऑब्वियसली डिसऑनर भी 18,000 का आएगा. इस बार आपको बहुत अच्छा है, कैलकुलेशन इंटरेस्ट का करना नहीं है, डायरेक्टली आपको दिया गया है. सो आप इंटरेस्ट डालोगे. कितना कैश दे रही है वो? 6,000. सो 6,000 आपने कैश भर दिया. नाउ बिल कितने का बन रहा है? रिमेनिंग प्लस इंटरेस्ट. तो 12,000, 18,000 में से 6,000 गया, बचा कितना? 12,000. और प्लस इंटरेस्ट कितना है? 550. इट इज 12,550. So 12,550. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? Whenever there is a dishonor, you have to pass these 4 entries. Okay? चलो अभी आगे क्या बोल रहा है वो भी देख लेते हैं हम. चलो आगे क्या हो रहा है, फिर क्या होता है बिल के साथ. द अरेंजमेंट वॉज कैरिड थ्रू. हमने अरेंजमेंट, वी हैव डन द अरेंजमेंट. On due date, Sangeeta became insolvent and only 35 paise in a rupee could be recovered. Now see what is happening. Sangeeta is becoming insolvent. You know, I've explained in the meaning of insolvent in our earlier lecture. What is the meaning of insolvent? Insolvent means you have become a bankrupt. You are not able to pay the money. So in the future, you will not be able to pay the money because that you have suffered a financial loss. So whenever there is an insolvency matlab the bill will be dishonored. Remember it. The bill will always be dishonored. Okay. So again dishonor की entry आ जाएगी. Bill payable account debit to, yes, Geeta account. Yes, Geeta account. So what is the amount of the new bill? Now we'll write the new bill amount 2550 12,550. Okay, that bill amount is now this. Now because of insolvency, you are only able to pay 35 paise in a rupee. Remember it. You are able to pay only 35 paise in a rupee. So some money will come and something. This time it in Geeta it will become this deficiency account. Geeta account debit to cash or bank account to deficiency account. What is going to have? Because you are having less money. So deficiency account. Okay, bacha. Whenever you become insolvent, it is like that. Now see 35 paise in a rupee. मतलब एक रुपए में कितना पैसा होता है 100 पैसा 100 में से 35 आ रहा है यानी कि 35% आ रहा है सो आपको गीता को कितना पैसा देना था 12,550 सो आपको इसका 35% निकालना पड़ेगा सो व्हाट इज 35% ऑफ दिस सो 12,550 इंटू 35% यस कितना है 4393 तो आप पैसा कितना दे पा रहे हो 4393 okay so बचेगा कितना see it was 5 rupees na so that's why I have done it that so now what will be the left out case the left out case will be 12,550 minus 4393 तो कितना आपका डेफिशिएंसी कितना आ रहा है 8157 so आपका डेफिशिएंसी आ रहा है 8157 समझा by this we have completed all the journal entries in the books of Sangeeta so we have completed one part of the question now see one part give the journal entry in the books of Sangeeta we have completed it prepare Sangeeta's account in the book of Geeta prepare Sangeeta account in book of Geeta that means they're asking you to prepare a journal account so in the books of Geeta Sangeeta now see Geeta is a drawer so she will first draw the bill what is the entry when the bill is drawn tell me it is bill what is the entry bill receivable account debit to Sangeeta's account so here it will come as by bill receivable account okay the space is very less so I'm writing this way 18,000 now see ये क्या था सबसे पहले संगीता ने खरीदा होगा इसलिए ये बिल बना होगा कि नहीं सो इसका मतलब हमारा संगीता के अकाउंट में क्या था टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन कितने का बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन था संगीता के अकाउंट में ऑब्वियसली 18,000 का ओके बिल बन गया उसके बाद बिल हैज बीन डिसऑनर्ड लेकिन यहाँ आपने यहाँ पे सेंटेंस देखा है संगीता हैज डन संगीता हैज डिस्काउंटेड द बिल विद बैंक so when the bill is dishonor what will be the entry you know it very well it is what will be the entry Sangeeta account debit to bank account so here it will come as to bank account कितने का बिल डिसऑनर हुआ ऑब्वियसली 18,000 का उसके बाद आपने एंट्री पास की होगी आपने वही 4 एंट्रीज की थी क्या 4 एंट्री की थी ये होगी कैंसिलेशन की फिर एंट्री आती है आपकी इंटरेस्ट की एंट्री क्या होगी संगीता? So in the books of Gita also, students, you have to pass 3 entries. What are the 3 entries? First is for dishonor of the bill, which we have already passes. Then interest ka entry, then the money ka entry, and the new bill ka entry. So what is the interest ka entry? Interest entries is what? Sangeeta account debit to interest account. So you'll write here to interest. Yes or no? To interest account. Okay, it is Sangeeta account debit to interest account. So 2 entries are over. Next 2 entries is what regarding some money comes in. So what money comes in, your entry is cash in bank account debit to Sangeeta's account. So it will come as by cash in bank account. Yes, by cash in bank account, and then one will be again will be of new bill. So by bill receivable account. Okay, now we know the amount. 18,000 was the amount. इंटरेस्ट हम लोगों ने देखो, एक्चुअली अगर आप देखोगे तो आप ऊपर भी देख ही सकते हो. देखो इंटरेस्ट 550 है, इंटरेस्ट इज 550, कैश 6,000 है, और नया बिल इज 12,550. तो आपको वही कॉपी कर लेना है. यस, सो इंटरेस्ट इज हाउ मच? 550. कैश आपने कितना दिया? 6,000. नया बिल कितने का बना? 12,550. अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ इंसॉल्वेंसी क्या हो रहा है? फिर से बिल हमारा डिसऑनर हो रहा है. दिस बार हमने बिल के साथ कुछ भी नहीं किया. सो यहाँ पे हम टू बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट लिखेंगे. कितने का बिल हो गया? 12,550. 12,550. ओके, नाउ here when there is an insolvency you are going to have a bad debt. See, आपको पैसा लेना था, so अब ये पैसा जिंदगी में कभी आपके पास नहीं आने वाला है. So this becomes your bad debt. This becomes your bad debt. So your 2 entry will be by cash or bank account, and the second will be by bad debts. Okay, by bad debts. Okay, now सेम थिंग, वही 75 पैसे इन रूपी है. सो आप देख सकते हो क्या है वो 75 पैसे इन रूपी. कितना आ रहा है? देखो, आपने डिसऑनर की एंट्री क्या की आपने, हाँ, कितना पैसा आपको मिला और कितना पैसा आपका गया. सो देखो ये एंट्री आपने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे की है. कितना है? 4,393,8157. ओके, सो आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे कैश कितना लिखोगे आप? 4,393, और यहाँ पे बैड डेब्ट आपका कितना हो गया? 8,157. सी यहाँ here it will be a bad debt because you are not able to get the money. There it will be a deficiency. Why? Because you have that much money less with you. Now telling 18,000 plus 18,000 plus 550 plus 12,550. See, 18,000, 18,550, 12,550. The total is 49,100. So 49,100. Again your credit card total will be again 18,000 plus 6,000 plus 12,550 plus 4,393 plus 8,157. So see, again is the total is 14,900. 49,000, sorry, yeah, the total comes to 49,100. Now students, actually, you are supposed to do the totaling of journal also. In last problem also, in the problem number 5, I had forgot to done the totaling of it. So remember students, you are supposed to do the total of it. Okay, now total of this. So what will be the total of this? Let's do that. You have to do the total of journal also. See, when you're getting full out of full, that time these people will demand for the total. So they might cut your marks because you have not done the total. So now what is the total? See, entry number 1, you had a total of 18,000 plus 18,000 Yes, two entry total has come to 18,000. Then, yeah, yes, 18,000 plus 18,000. Third entry was 550. Fourth was 6,000. Fifth was 12,550. Sixth was 12,550. And then last, seventh one. Seventh one was again plus 12,550. So your total is coming to 80,200. So your total here is 80,200, and your debit total might be also 80,200. So your both the total should tally. Okay, that is second part homework, is that you're going to total it. Now students, I have completed this problem. Now homework for you in this is what I have done the ledger in the books of drawer. Okay, you will pass a journal entry of that, and you will prepare, Gita account in the book of Sangeeta. So your homework, I'm writing your homework. Remember it. So homework, homework. Yes. So what is your homework? Tell me. Your homework is prepare prepare Gita account in books of Sangeeta and pass journal entries in books of Gita. Okay, your homework is prepare Gita account in the books of Sangeeta and pass journal entries in the books of Gita. Again, I'm repeating students, practice makes man perfect. So remember it, you're going to solve everything, and I want a fully completed notebook on the first day of our college reopens. Chalo, have a good day, stay home safe.